Welcome to Brizy Cloud. Brizy Cloud is a content management system, or CMS for short, that allows you to create and build professional, modern-looking websites in no time. Today, there are dozens of online website creating platforms, and Brizy Cloud offers you both a free and pro version to get you making websites as soon as now. No coding and no experience needed. And in fact, you can use our Brizy Cloud totally free, no cost ever. This site was entirely made with Brizy Cloud free. It's professional, using the latest clean code, and is responsive, ensuring that it can be displayed properly on both tablet and mobile devices. To achieve a site like this, simply begin a new website project from within the dashboard. This will take you into the Brizy Builder, from where you have access to the most intuitive and user-friendly page builder on the market. Real-time front-end editing with dozens of building elements to allow for great layouts and design. Simply drag and drop onto the page, bring in your content, and hey presto, you've got your site ready. And if you're not in the creative mood, we give you pre-made blocks to kickstart with. And in Brizy Cloud Pro, you get additional pro designed blocks as well as full page layouts from which you can build an entire website from scratch. We also boast the most advanced form builder in both our free and pro versions, allowing you to collect leads from prospective customers as you work towards more conversions. And to assist with that, we have our own renowned Popup Builder. Use it to create easy on-click pop-ups or pop-ups with triggers and conditions, taking full control over where and when pop-ups will appear on your site. But wait, there's more. See, we went and added another functionality to our Popup Builder: external pop-ups. External pop-ups allow you to create your stylish-looking pop-ups, but you can insert it on any other website making platform. Think WordPress, Joomla, Wix, Squarespace, and more. It works there. And this is included in both the Brizy Cloud free and pro versions. Apart from making these stunning websites in no time, the Dashboard Manager includes full control over your team members. Invite anyone onto your project and control their roles through the Role Manager. And remember, we said free is free. That includes hosting as well as a Brizy site subdomain, which means you truly pay absolutely nothing for creating and hosting your website on Brizy Cloud free. It's outrageous. If you need a custom domain, simply go for one of our pro packages, and you can choose between personal and studio. The studio package allows you to create unlimited sub-accounts, which is perfect for managing different clients, as each sub-account has its own respective team, projects, and pop-ups. Like they always say, what are you still waiting for? You've got absolutely nothing to lose. If you are not sure or on the fence whether to go for Brizy Cloud, simply sign up for the free account and take it for a test drive. We guarantee you'll love the simplicity and ease of use, yet not sacrificing speed nor quality. With Brizy Cloud still very young to the market, we've got plenty of upcoming features in the works. Stories, funnels, and much more. So it's worth getting on board and finding out how easy it is to use Brizy Cloud and start making your websites the Brizy way. Brizy Cloud, taking your website making to new heights.